If you need to unlink a bank account from your Neteller account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Access the bank account section. In account settings, find the section dedicated to linked bank accounts. This may be labeled as bank accounts, payment methods, or something similar. Step 4. Select the bank account to unlink. Review the list of linked bank accounts and select the one you wish to unlink. There should be an option to manage or edit the selected account. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking process. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlink the selected bank account. You may need to verify your identity or enter additional information to complete the process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully unlinked from your Neteller account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Neteller's customer support for assistance.